Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn off Gmail notifications from Messenger quickly and easily. If you've been getting too many emails every time someone messages you on Facebook, don't worry. This simple guide will show you how to stop them for good. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account where you usually receive notifications from Messenger. Once the app is open, scroll through your inbox and find one of those emails that says something like, "You have a new message on Messenger." When you've found one, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. These three dots open a small menu with different options you can choose from. In that menu, look for the option that says Unsubscribe or Report Spam. Now tap Unsubscribe. Gmail will usually ask if you're sure you want to stop receiving these types of emails. Confirm your choice, and Gmail will automatically handle the rest. You won't get any more email notifications from Messenger after this. If, for some reason, you don't see the unsubscribe button, you can select Report Spam instead. This will also tell Gmail that you don't want these emails in your inbox anymore. Over time, Gmail learns your preferences and automatically filters similar emails out for you. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Gmail notifications from Messenger. From now on, your inbox will stay cleaner, and you won't get daily alerts every time someone sends you a message on Facebook. Keeping your email tidy doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few taps, you can take control and stop unnecessary notifications from cluttering your day. So, go ahead, open your Gmail, find a Messenger email, and unsubscribe right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out more quick guides like this one to make your digital life easier and more organized. Thanks for watching.